Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Ticino, the Italian side of Switzerland, which is also my home region, and I want to bring you with me to discover some of the most breathtaking, beautiful hikes of the region. Hikes which are more for beginners because I'm a beginner hiker myself. Let's discover them together.
Something in the way that you looked upon me is telling me I should go.
If you ever wonder if you can flying in Switzerland, well, you kind of can, because right now we are going to the Ponte Tibetano, which is a Tibetan bridge based in Monte Tamaro, Ticino. And on this sign that you will find around the trails, you can see the distance to the location that you want to reach. In our case, Ponte Tibetano, and from here it's 45 minutes. So here we can try out to see how is the inside of a bee house. I don't know if there are bees inside, there are some bees around, so...
Yeah.
No way.
Oh.
I think they really built up this track super nice. I mean, I don't know if that's something on every track is like this, but I really love this small, like the bee house, and there is a clean toilet. Now here there is a stunning old church to visit as well with stunning panoramas. This guy decided to start to cry a little bit, probably because he saw me hiking. Since we're stuck under the rain, I informed myself very deeply for the past 30 seconds about the Swiss mountain sign. And what internet said is that red and white means a more difficult mountain trails. In the other side, there are also the yellow diamond that are an average walking path. Thanks for watching. Since the sun is out now, all the rain starts to condensate, especially when we are below the tree and it's so humid. Oh my god, I can't feel my legs. That's amazing. We started here, we did up, yep. Choop, 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 and now we are here and so peaceful up here, and now even windy, which is literally drying out all the sweat that I've collected during this walk. I really enjoyed this hike. Actually, it was about 2 hours, and we have another 2 hours to go down. Basically, it's like a loop circuit, so you start from one side and you finish the other side. Ryan said, you know, trail is marked as a hard one. I did it, so if I've done it, other people as beginners as well can do it as well. It feels so good to be here.
What would happen if the cable snapped?
We will never know because now we go away.
Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
We just arrived in Sonnogno, which is the last stop with the bus, and is the last village in Verzasca Valley. It's an amazing rustic area with a lot of rustic houses like this one. This is already the central plaza of Sonnogno, and it's very quiet. Today we're doing a kind of easy trek, even though it will be a very long one because it's something like 20 kilometers. 14
kilometers.
Basically we will cross the whole Verzasca Valley from Sonnogno down to Lavertezzo, but apparently it's also recommended for family and kids, so let's discover it together. We are literally in the middle of waterfall, of mountain goats and butterflies. There is nothing more Swiss than this. Hi baby. Hello. Wow, why I haven't never been here is literally, I don't know, breathtaking. It's literally being like in a fairy tale. We just hit 4 kilometers of hike on this track.
It's taken us an hour and 20 minutes. Also, it's not a competition. We like to bimble.
Who said that?
No, it's not a race. We just want to get there by dark.
That's true. It's literally a very easy walk. The only thing is that there aren't really trash bin around. Make sure to get with you also some bags where you can throw your own trash and carry them out of the valley. We are in Brione right now. We already did around 9 kilometers. This is about a little bit more than half of the track. And there is a heat wave here in Switzerland, so we decided to stop in this amazing river, take a dip in the super cold water. And the weather is beautiful and I'm very happy. We left Brione, now we are on our way towards Lavertezzo. We realized that actually this old trail is divided in two. I mean, you can do it in two parts. The first one would be Sonogno, where we started, down to Brione, where we took a bath. And that's the first part where you cross a lot of beautiful fields and like very fairy tale places. And the second part is from Brione down to Lavertezzo, which we are working right now. And there are many trekkings where you basically are on a drop on a hill and you can see all the big rocks next to you with people swimming behind it, and you cross out so many different woods and forests. Beautiful.
Nadia?
No.
It's only 8 hours away by walk.
We're not gonna go there. Definitely the track from Brione down to Lavertezzo is much more wild, raw nature if you want. It's more like rocky. The fact is that even though it's a very walkable and easy trail, also for family, for kids, it's still 14 kilometers. So right now, I'm quite tired. Today we decided to level up our game and hike up to Sassariente, which is the top of the mountain, which has a scenic huge cross on the top. The fact is that this time this hike is about 2 hours 20 minutes. It's really like that inclined and it's pretty hard. We are quite halfway right now, and here we are here with my dear friend Luca and his gorgeous wolf Mira. I really hope to reach the top because this is one of those days that I feel like quitting, honestly. The special bits about this hike is that there is via ferrata, but not really. I mean, so we will discover how we'll make it there. And apparently you just walk on a little piece of wood, and below you there is the fall. Yeah, let's see. So Luca explained us that there are various types of hiking, and we just thought there were like 2, but apparently the red one has 3 types of red one, and after the red one there is a scary one, and it has 3 types of scary one, which are colored as blue color. It kind of unlocked another adventure time / fearful moment for me. Here we go. This is the situation. Whoa. This is probably one of the scariest things I've ever done. I don't know if you can see, but what the fuck. We made it. I can't believe it. In 2 hours and 6 minutes, 800 calories afterwards, we made it from Monte Motti all the way up to Sassariente cross. I will do it again, only with a bit more train, because it was a tough one, but except of that, 100% recommended for the view afterwards. This is Foroglio Waterfall, which is here behind me, and it's a stunning waterfall which crashes on some incredible rocks. There is a parking spot right next to it. 5 minutes you are at the waterfall. But the cool thing is that there is also a trail that we are gonna walk right now. So let's check it out together. After the 10 minutes hike, suddenly like this part of beauty is up here. There's this amazing blue river with a lot of rocks around, houses, and I didn't expect that. There is a whole village up here. This is my brother.
Good morning, boy. The people here are so easy. Look, very easy people. The dog are quiet. Yeah. Like and subscribe and see you soon.
It's full of cows. You will find them along the path. Don't get too close, but I think they are pretty used to the people, honestly. It's like the ghost that we found in Sonogno. It's so nice. Today we're gonna go to visit Monte Tamaro, which is a mountain here behind me. To reach it, we're gonna take a gondol, and up there it's full of activity. Families with kids goes up because there is the adventure park. There are a lot of trails that people like to walk around. I guess much more, like here there is a whole design of things that you can do there, and I hope you're gonna have fun. The cost for the gondol is 31 francs to go up and down, and there is the first intermediate stop, which is the adventure park for kids, and then you can go up to the top where we are right now. From here, all the hiking starts, and here you can see the map with all the hikes. Well, from here my mic died, so here we go with the voiceover. The last stop will bring you to Alpe Foppa, where you'll find a restaurant and often music and people dancing, as well as the chapel Santa Maria degli Angeli, made by the architect Mario Botta from Ticino. We embraced directly the hike towards the summit of Monte Tamaro at 1869 meters above the sea level. After 30 minutes, we reached Capanna Tamaro, which was kind of half of the way, and here you can get some bites, drinks, or buy some local products. We take a small break here, and then we kept hiking through the clouds that seems to be honestly into a Lord of the Ring movie, and we were going to deliver somehow the ring to Sauron. But at the end we reached the summit, about 2 hours afterwards, and we enjoyed our lunch there, surrounded by clouds. The track is a loop, so we went back down from the other side, and if you want to know more about this hike or general hike that we do, check out Ryan and I website at www.acrosseveryborder.com, where we collect our travel and hiking guides free for you. Right now we're gonna go back to the car, and I really hope you enjoyed this video with the various hike that we did around Ticino. Let me know below in the comment which one was your favorite. Remember to like and subscribe to this video and to my channel, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye guys!